Good morning, children. Today, let us discuss nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba feeds on microscopic plants and animals which float on water. They are aquatic in habitat. In amoeba, nutrition is carried out in 5 different steps just like in other organisms. They are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. Ingestion. When a food particle comes near to amoeba, it ingests the food particle by using its pseudopodia. It engulfs the food material into the cell through the cell membrane. In the food vacuole, the digestive juices are released and the food gets digested. The digested food is directly absorbed by the cytoplasm through the process of diffusion inside the cell. Immediately the digested food is assimilated, that means it is used for production of energy for the life processes. That's why in amoeba absorption and assimilation takes place simultaneously. After assimilation, after a sufficient amount of undigested food material is collected in the vacuole, the body wall ruptures anywhere and the undigested food material is ejected out, is sent out of the body. Now let us discuss nutrition in paramecium. Paramecium is a small unicellular animal which lives in water. It have a fine hair-like structure all over the body which are called as cilia. Paramecium is also called as slippercule as its body is in the shape of a slipper. The various steps involved in the nutrition of paramecium are ingestion, digestion, assimilation, and digestion. Assimilation, absorption and assimilation both takes place simultaneously. That's why we need not to mention them separately. Ingestion. The taking in of food by the paramecium is called as ingestion. In paramecium, there is an oral opening through which the food material enter into the body. Paramecium uses cilia to take the food material into the body. The cilia present around the oral opening moves and attracts the food material to move into the body surface. And next, the digestion. The food material which is inside the body moves into a food vacuole. The digestion takes place inside the food vacuole by the release of digestive enzymes in the food vacuole. The next step is assimilation. You can observe that the digested food material in the vacuole is being absorbed by the body and assimilated by the body. The digested food diffuses into the cytoplasm and get used up by the cell. And the last step is egestion. After the use up of digested food material in the vacuole, the leftover food is nothing but the waste material which is undigested. And these undigested material moves toward the anal pore and sends out the waste material out of the body. This is about nutrition in paramecium.